Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to Seat Work Explanation, lesson number 166. As always, boys and girls, please make sure you write your name on your paper. Take a look at our story today. You are going to be writing about foxes. Remember, the title goes in the center line. You're going to write the rest of the story on the lines. Please make sure you start on the left side. Please make sure you form your letters correctly and you use your neatest handwriting. Take a look at our arithmetic page 331. As always, boys and girls, please make sure you have your name on your paper. Let's take a look at section 1. Measure the flower beds. Boys and girls, you may not have a ruler at home. Let's do section 1 together. Before we can measure the flower bed, we need to make sure that we use the correct unit. Here in the box, do you see the quotation mark here? Whenever you see a quotation mark, it means we need to measure it in inches. All right, let's go ahead and measure our flower bed. Remember, we're going to line up the ruler. We're going to place it right under the line. And we're going to line it up with the very first line. That first line represents 0. So this flower bed is 4 inches long. 4 inches long. Now let's take a look at our next one. Are we going to be using inches or centimeters? We're going to use the centimeter side. Remember, we place a ruler right beneath the line and we start it right on that line with 0. This flower bed is 13 centimeters long. Let's take a look at section 2. What time is it? Write the time in the box. Section 3. Write the correct answer. What's 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4? Use the kite to help you. Section 4. A pentagon equals 5 sides. How many pentagons? You count the pentagons and write the response here. How many sides in each pentagon? Here it tells you it has 5 sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many sides in all? You're going to count by 5s. And then 5 times 5, you write the response here. Take a look at section 5. Write the sums. Watch out for carrying. Boys and girls, you're adding. Don't forget to carry. The carry boxes are not there. All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at the back side, page 332. Write the number for each Roman numeral. Here's the Roman numeral. Remember, the letter I represents the number 1. The letter V represents the number 5. The letter X represents the number 10. When you have more than one numeral, you look at the greatest value. Then you ask if the least value to the left or to the right. If it's to the left, you subtract. If it's to the right, you add. Section 2. Write the Roman numeral for each number. Here's your numbers 1 through 10. You're going to write the Roman numeral on the box. You can use section 1 to help you with section 2. Section 3. Write greater than, less than, or equal to. Now you're going to compare Roman numerals. Let's do the first one together. Here you have a V and 2 I's. So the V represents 5, and then we add 2. 6, 7. So 7 is greater than, less than, to the Roman numeral X, which represents the number 10. Is 7 greater than, less than, or equal to 10? 7 is less than 10. Section 4. Draw tally marks to represent the Roman numeral. Here you have the Roman numeral. You're going to draw tally marks to show that number. Section 5. Write the sums. Complete Section 5. Take a look at our letters and sound, page 166. Here it says use the color key to color the picture. Here's the color key. So if a word, let's take a look at this word, neighbor. What's the special sound in neighbor? Neighbor have A and 8. So you will color this area blue. Take a look at the star, trays. What special sound is in the star? We have A and pray. So you will color it yellow. You'll do the rest like this. Make sure you color very neatly and take your time. Take a look at our language page, 166. Section 1 says write the names of 4 animals. You're going to place the names on the animals on the line. Section 2 says write 2 sentences about your favorite animal. You're going to pick your favorite animal and you're going to write 2 sentences about it. And section 3 says draw a picture to go with your sentences. So the sentences you wrote about your favorite animals, you're going to draw it in the box. Make sure, boys and girls, your sentences starts with a capital letter and end in a punctuation mark. And please make sure you use your neatest handwriting. All right, boys and girls, that is our time for Seatware explanation today. Have a wonderful day.